the RAP's metric is the hop count. So it is going to be calculate the distance based on the hops. Okay, so if you send the packet from router 1 to like other router, one source location to the other source locations, so how many hops it was crossed, it is going to be calculated based on the hops. And the default the hops is, the hop count is in RAP 15 hops, 0 to 15, 0 to 15. So it is going to be take the packet till 0 to 15, which means 16 routers only. After the 16 routers, the packets is going to be dropped. This is the default behavior of the RAP. So in EIGRP, Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol, it's an advanced distance vector routing protocol. First we have a RAP protocol, then the IEEE was implemented the new protocol, which is a EIGRP. So the EIGRP's metric is cost. Okay, it's a composite metric actually. Okay, it's a composite metric. EIGRP's metric is a composite metric. It is going to be, so the metric is going to be in a multiple forms. Okay, we have a formula 10 to the power of 8 divided by bandwidth. Okay, divided by bandwidth plus and total delay and reliability into 256. So here we have almost all 5 parameters, which is bandwidth and delay, load, reliability, and MTU, maximum transmission unit. So these 5 parameters, like it's a composite metric. It's a collection of these 5 parameters. So whenever the EIGRP is going to be calculate the metric, for example, this is router 1, which is going towards connected towards router 2, and even we have another router like this. So if you have 3 different routers, right? If you have 3 different routers, if the router 1 wants to communicate router 2's LAN, router 1's LAN wants to communicate router 2's LAN, so it can go via, this is the first path, okay? This is the first way, like this as well, the second way. So router is going to be calculate the distance from here to there. So what is that distance? What is a metric? Okay, what is a metric I'm going to calculate? Like if I want to go from this particular LAN to this LAN, how much distance it is? And when if I want to send the data from here like this, okay, even here also it is going to be calculate the distance. So whichever the route is the less, whichever the distance is less, that route is going to become as your primary route, guys. That route is going to become your primary route. And or else you can say like this is a best route. This is your best route. Always traffic used to take this direction to reach R2's LAN. So in the case of options of the primary route, so it is going to take the second best route. This is your second best route or the secondary route. Okay. So today we are going to understand how it work, okay, and what parameters it is going to be calculated, what is the bandwidth and the delay, load, reliability, and MTU. Okay?